Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add your countdown widget to your iPhone's lock screen and home screen so you never miss important events. Let's get started. First, open the Countdowns app or any countdown widget app you've installed on your iPhone, and then here tap the plus or add a countdown button and enter the event's name, select the time and date, and customize it with the color or theme that you want. Then go to the home screen and tap and hold on the blank area until the apps jiggle. And tap the plus icon at the top left and scroll or search for the countdown app and select the widget size that you want. Tap add widget and position it wherever you like and tap done. And that's it. Your countdown widget is now visible on your lock screen or home screen, keeping you reminded of your important events. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!